let's start coloring. So we are going to create something like that. Our goal for coloring to create very soft transition between colors, between warm and cool colors, create oval shape around the flame, and soft transition on the candle. So let's get started. You can use washi tape, masking tape to protect the frame, not just to protect the frame, yes, so just for easy coloring and to keep frame, I would say. And we have our colors, and remember, you don't have to use many colors like here, yes, so you don't have to use all of them. Especially, you see I have 2 yellows, 2 oranges, 2 reds, 2 purple and black. You can use basic palette, 1 yellow, 1 orange, 1 red, 1 purple. Okay, I'm going to use all of them and start with lightest color and just move from the light until the dark, and it's easy strategy. So I'm going to start with yellow, but at the same time I want to keep some white inside my flame, and that's why I'm going to start with light yellow around the flame and in, around the flame in, and around the flame out. Yeah, so I can see my line. I can try to erase it, and sometimes it doesn't work, but that's okay. So I'm going to use orange, for example, later to trace it. Okay, so you are going to start with light yellow. Keep white inside. Then my light yellow will be on the top of the candle and on the side, right there. That's all. So I'm going to move to next yellow and just keep one this yellow, first yellow, beside, close by. I'm going to start with light pressure, yeah, so with the next color around first one. First it should be light pressure and overlap a little bit your first color, like, and around, and then I with my first color, with a bit harder pressure, medium pressure, I'm coloring it again, and especially on the border between 2 colors. Then I'll take again my yellow, next yellow, warm yellow, and with medium pressure I'm creating the second layer. And yes, and strategy like that. So I'm going to put my warm yellow beside me and take light orange. Oh no, so this is not correct orange. Yeah, that's why. So I'm wondering why I hope I have no this one. Orange, light orange, and I repeat steps. Yeah, so just light pressure with light orange around previous color. Light pressure right there, or overlap a little bit your previous color. Then I'm checking this one, previous color, and with medium pressure I'm coloring border between previous color and new color. In this case, between warm yellow and light orange. Okay, I don't need this color anymore, and that's why with light orange, with medium pressure, I'm going to repeat my coloring. Okay, and the same idea. So I am keeping my light orange and take on, and I'm going to use next one, just orange, light pressure first around. Dark red. So the same idea, just a reminder, yeah, so you are coloring around the previous color with very light pressure first, overlap a little bit previous color. So I'm coloring around my flame, yeah, so around my shape, oval shape, to emphasize that it should be an oval shape. And then you check your previous color, warm red in my case, and I am coloring with medium pressure on an overlap this cool red, dark red. It helps us to create soft transition between colors. Pressure and overlap. Yeah, so combination of the pressure, light pressure, medium pressure, and layers. I'm going to make dark colors bigger. Yes, so just because my purpose, my goal to create some contrast right there too. Even, you know, I'm going to finish and then add purple with this color and add purple. Medium pressure. Colors are dark. When you work with dark colors, press harder, medium pressure or hard pressure, strong pressure, because paper is white and it's harder to cover the paper with dark colors. If when we worked with yellow, so we can see the paper, white paper. But with dark colors, we can see white paper, and that's why it's good idea to press harder a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to continue with purple. My purple actually not really dark. That's why I'm going to use purple, this purple and previous purple all together and somewhere black. Black is optional, so it depends on your purple. If your purple is dark, maybe it's enough. I'm going to color, add a little bit previous purple, but with light pressure. Of course, quality of coloring depends on paper too. My previous sketch, which I show you, I'll show you again. I did in my sketchbook, creamy paper. It looks a little bit different, so that's why I decided to do this sketch on paper, on printer paper, just to see difference between them. And quality, of course, is different, so in texture will look differently. Okay, so I'm going to come back to my purple and press harder. And try to relax your hand, your shoulder, your arm. Otherwise, it's actually a hard job to color with color pencils. If your shoulder, arm, and hand are not relaxed. Or just take a break sometimes. Okay, so I would like to connect them together, candle and background. Okay, and black. So with light pressure, just because black is pretty strong, so I'm going to add a bit black. It's up to you. It's up to you much you want to add black. Maybe even more. Yeah, yes. So if you want to create really dark at the bottom or around the candle, so go ahead. Maybe put more black. Just apply more black. Yeah, so it's up to you. What I want to add with orange, I would like to add a little bit on the flame. Maybe with yellow, with dark yellow. From one side, don't trace, yeah, so don't trace around. It should be natural line. This line I can trace a bit too. And with black, the wick of the candle. And you see, so white and black creates high contrast for us, and it works very well. Okay, last step, we are going to check your tape off and see how it looks like. Oops, yeah, paper. Okay. Yeah, frame is nice. So I'm going to take a photo, and you can see differences between this one and this one, and you see every time it will be different. So in this case, oval around the flame is bigger, in this case smaller, and probably I like this version. And paper maybe is better, not too bright. See, so I'm going to take a photo and upload under the video, so and you can compare and decide what option you like. Okay, so we are done. Thank you. I would like to see your sketches. Please share in our group or chat. And yeah, so good job.